So now, ma'am, it's the last follow-up visit for your child, and we are very keen to ask how you decided to choose a pediatric dental clinic, and what are your experiences, and what you can all share to a searching mother who is keen about, concerned about, searching for a good pediatric dental treatment for his or her children.
Eventually, what I was searching was being a dentist checkup. My son should be very comfortable in doing it, because the kids, unless they are not comfortable, they won't be ready to do this thing properly. So first thing I was looking for was a very hospitable, very calm, specialization of kids dentistry, so that the kids are comfortable, their problem is addressed properly. I know any dentist can do things, but for kids a pediatric dentist is important, very very important. So that's why I was searching for a pediatric dentist specifically for my kid.
What was the new subject over here was that pediatric dentistry starts right from infant, from 0 years old, even before the teeth even has come out. And this was a pretty new chapter for us, because normally in general, whenever the teeth comes, okay, now the teeth has come out, and then the thought process starts of how to keep the teeth clean. But after coming here, after speaking to you, what is clearly understood as the factor is that it's much before, right at the womb of the mother itself. And that's what you have just basically explained to us.
And you are having a little baby also. Yes. For that we had also talked about, and you are going to read out on our Google page also.
To add on to one point.
Yes.
Before, when we used to show it to other dentists, the normal general dentist, apart from tooth cavity filling up and all the stuff, most of the doctors were just on to the specific points, like, okay, you have to fill up the cavity, and then that was it. But now, coming down to a pediatric dentistry, plus coming down to your clinic as of such, it's not just on the cavity. You had gone through back more of the history by taking all the x-rays, rather than just going and fixing on to the specific points. We just had spent time on the history, which was very important, which I felt was very very important. So apart from knowing, if the history is not known, then the real the type of the treatment will be a bit of.
I searched in the Google, and for the pediatric dentist, and then I went to the reviews. I searched few of them, and I found the reviews were quite good, and they were genuine. The reviews were genuine. It's not like normal 3-star, 4, like all 5-star. I had a specific genuine series which I saw. That's why I selected me.
Ma'am, during treatment, due to this pandemic era, what all kind of things you have noticed this is a safe, or what we can improve in that?
Okay. I found the clinic very hygienic, very clean, very system being followed about checking the temperature, noting down it properly to keep a track of it, and all the equipments, they were disposables. Everything was quite properly maintained, very perfectly maintained.
Okay, ma'am, during this pandemic, a lot of parents, especially in the morning, a parent came to us and they are not ready to sit on the chair. Actually, that kind of fear the people has developed during this pandemic area. But with your experience, I want to say that we are keeping all the necessary protocols and necessary steps to avoid such kind of cross infections, and that's what you have felt.
That was very evident as well, because even while treating the kid, yourself as a doctor putting on the disposable, the coveralls and the mask and the helmet, and then exclusively even the attenders also having the sanitizations done. That was pretty much.
Ma'am, a last note. एक मदर जो कि अपने बच्चों के लिए स्ट्रगल कर रही है या कंफ्यूज्ड है कि कहाँ ट्रीटमेंट, कैसे ट्रीटमेंट हो. कुछ लोग ऐसे भी हैं जिन्होंने 2-4-10 डेंटिस्टों को दिखा चुका है लेकिन प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व नहीं हुई है. बीइंग कंटिन्यूसली टोल्ड बाय द अदर्स कि ये मिल्क टीथ हैं, ये टूट जाएंगे, नथिंग टू वरी. बट कहीं ना कहीं बच्चों की प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, बच्चे ठीक से खाना नहीं खा पा रहे हैं, बच्चों को एक लो लेवल क्रॉनिक पेन बना हुआ है जो कि एक मदर ही समझ सकती है या जो क्लोज उसकी केयर में वो समझ सकते हैं. तो उन मदर के लिए एक मैसेज कि कैसे इन चीजों को नजरअंदाज ना करें, इनको अवॉइड ना करें और गेट अ प्रॉपर ट्रीटमेंट डन.
I just want to become, for me, my first priority is my child should be comfortable and happy. And for that, if you can do anything, do it, आप घरेलू नुस्खे हैं, बट वो करके भी अगर आपका बच्चा कंफर्टेबल नहीं हो रहा है, एंड देन you cannot see your child suffering. Seriously, I cannot see my child suffering. No mother can see her child suffering. So the best thing is reach out to a doctor, check out. It's better. Don't be late on these things. Seriously, don't be late on these things. Just go check into a doctor and make your kid comfortable as much as possible.
Ma'am, yes.
Sorry.
Very much.
And I hope you will stay connected, although you are from overseas country. And whenever you came back to India, make it sure with the telephonic, with the video call, you can stay connected with us. We will feel very happy to be help you out, and you can also suggest us to others also, so that we can do an online outreach also to the needy parents and your friends and colleagues.
That definitely will be a very good idea, because I think the lessons which we have learned over here after this visit, after the 3 to 4 days of visit, and that too also to be very heavily specific on that point, is it was just not a one visit type. You had spent time, you had kept aside 3 to 4 days, and that commitment was basically much more important, because normal to any other general doctors is just treat and just go, but your follow-up was a bit more on a much more on a weaker stage.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. And that's it. Happy journey and stay safe.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.